Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So today's video is going to be a huge clothing haul. So I shopped a lot of stuff from H&M and Lifestyle. So if you want to see what I purchased, then please keep on watching. So if you guys have added me on Snapchat, you guys know that my college has started recently. I'm doing a master's degree and sometimes for that you require a lot of formal clothing, and that's the reason I went to H&M. So first I'm going to talk to you all about all the formal clothing that I got, and then we're going to move on to the casuals. So first let's start off with the most important thing that you require in formal clothing, and that is a blazer. And this is just a black blazer that I picked up from H&M, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is just a plain black blazer, but the fit of this is really good, and this is in size 8 and it fits me perfectly, and that's the reason I love this. And again, this is also very comfortable to wear. I don't remember the price of this, but I'm going to mention it on the screen or maybe in the description box, so check it out because I purchased all of these things like a month back, so I'll try to remember it and then I will leave it down below. So I was really confused whether to go with the blue blazer or a black one, but the black one goes with everything, so it's always safe to go with a black. So definitely get a black blazer if you want some formal clothing, and this is a must in your collection. Now let's move on to the two formal tops that I purchased. The first one that I'm going to show you is the dark blue one, and this is what it looks like. So the color of this shirt is something that attracted me because I absolutely love dark blue and black both, and this has both of these colors. And as you can see, this top looks really sophisticated and rich, and it looks very formal as well. You can tuck it in with a nice pair of pants and it looks really nice. And I'm sorry I cannot describe the material of these things because I'm not a clothing person or maybe not a fashion person as such, but this is a really nice one, and this is in size 4 and I think I paid around 2,300 bucks for this. So yeah, I love this one. Next I picked up a plain black shirt, and this is what it looks like. So they have a lot of colors in this, but I went with black because again black goes with everything and you need to have a black and a white in your collection as well. So that's why I picked this one up. Next I picked up 3 formal pants, and the first one that I'm going to show you is a nice grey and black color, and this is what it looks like. Love the color of this pant and the fit is really good, so that's the reason I purchased it. And sorry I'm actually showing you clothes like this because this is really not the appropriate way to show clothing, but if you want to see like a try on kind of a video, then let me know because I would love to shoot that one for you guys. So yeah, this was the first pair of pants that I purchased. So the next pair of pants are something unusual, and I never thought I'll wear something like this, but it actually looks really nice, and this is what they look like. So as you can see that they don't taper at the end. Okay, so they fit really nice on the thighs, but then once they go down at the bottom they don't taper, so they are like those baggy ones, but they look really nice and sophisticated. That's the reason I love these. And again I paid around 4 grand for this. I know I didn't realize that I paid so much for this, stupid me, but the fit of these pants is really good, and if you want something different then you can totally go for these as well. And yeah, again if you want a try on kind of a thing, let me know because you cannot see how they look like right now, so sorry about that, but yeah, love these as well. The last pair of pants that I got are actually jeggings, but they have a formal look to it, and again they are black in color, so it's really nice because I can wear casual t-shirts as well as formal shorts with this. That's why I love these, and this is what they look like. Okay, again just plain black, and yeah, love these. The fit again is really nice and they are so comfortable, so that's why I love these. And I keep saying that's why I love this, so sorry about that. When I'm editing sometimes I realize that I'm repeating so many things again and again, so sorry about that. Now let's move on to the casual stuff that I got from Lifestyle. Now Lifestyle is my favorite clothing store because there's just such a nice variety of brands over there, and I just love shopping and I always find the best things at Lifestyle. And my favorite brand in Lifestyle has to be Ginger because the clothing is so like young and feminine, and at the same time it's very affordable as well. That's why I love that. So the first top that I got from Ginger is this one right here, and this is like a nice khaki color, that's what they say, right? And then this says Sunny on it, and then there's a nice ice cream over here, then eyelashes and a pair of goggles as well, so it's really cute. And this is actually a knotted top, as you can see. I love this style, it looks really flattering, and you know this was around 800 rupees only. If I would have bought this in Vero Moda, it would have been so expensive, but Ginger, as I said, is a very affordable brand, and I love their clothing and I love this color as well. I don't have this color in my collection, so yeah. So the next thing that I purchased is actually the top that I'm wearing right now, and it's from Vero Moda, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the design of this is really nice, and then the sleeves are loose, so it's very comfortable. And this paired with like nice black denims or something of that sort, it looks really nice. You can just wear this for a night out as well because it's very sophisticated. Again, it's very classy looking, and that's the reason I love this, and it's very nice and comfortable, and I'm all about that style. So yeah, love this. The next thing has to be my favorite in this entire haul, and I love this so much. And this is again from Vero Moda, and this is a dress. Oh my god, this is so cute. If you want me to wear this and show you in a video, definitely let me know because I'm dying to do that. And this is again, as I said, by Vero Moda, and this is like a nice denim material, and the color of this is so good. And this is again very comfortable. It's not too short as well because I'm not comfortable wearing like really short clothes. So that's why I love the length of this as well. As you can see, it's really nice. And again, you have a belt as well. If you want, you can wear a belt or you can just leave it like that. So it's a really nice short dress, and this is what it looks like. And you should definitely get this if you're in lifestyle or Vero Moda because it's really cute. So as you guys might have guessed that I love comfortable and casual clothing, and the next thing that I got is again a shirt because I love wearing shirts, and this one is from Fame Forever, and this is what it looks like. Again, this is a nice khaki color, and the fit of this is really good, and it looks very smart once you wear it. That's why I love this one as well. And yeah, definitely check Fame Forever out as well because their clothing is also really nice. So the next top is actually an impulsive purchase, and this is again from Ginger, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the combination of white with this border is really pretty, and that's the reason I got it. But I should have tried this top out because it doesn't look good on me, and I'm really sad about that because the pattern is really nice. But I'm just going to make it work somehow because I really like it. Now let's move on to the last top that I purchased. This last thing is something very casual. It's not something exciting, and this is from Bossini, and this is what it looks like. It's just a plain t-shirt. Okay, the thing that I love about this is the color. I love yellow with this dark blue combination. It just looks so good. So that's the reason I purchased it, and it fits really well. Again, it looks very smart. That's the reason I got this. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video, and those were all the things that I purchased. If you want me to try all of these clothes out and show you guys in a video, then definitely let me know in the comments down below because I would love to do that for you. And if you like this video and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. And also follow me on my social media and add me on Snapchat as well. As I said, I show all the things first on my social media, so make sure you do that. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. It will really mean a lot to me, and yeah, please do that, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.